Hi everyone, today I'm with my mom and we are going to make tamarind juice from Jamaica.
So the tamarind is a kind of fruit and you can find it at the store. Kind of looks like this, comes in a package, something like that. Tamarindo is what this package is labeled. And I was so excited when I found out that it's native to Africa. Very like crispy, crunchy shell kind of. And it is tarty. It has a sweet and sour taste. And Binay and I are going to walk you through how to make a very refreshing tamarind drink. And this is courtesy of a friend of mine who is Jamaican. So we're going to get started. So Binay, let us talk about what we have here. We introduced the tamarind. So that's the tamarind fruit. But we're going to use half a cup of lemon juice, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And we have ginger.
Some ginger, some sugar.
Sugar.
And we're going to be using some warm water. So we'll introduce that. We have our jug and our plates and a seed. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and take the tamarind out of its shell. And like I said earlier, it's a very dry, kind of crunchy shell, and it's got these strands. And then, you know, what you're going to see as we do this here is the tamarind has seeds in it. So there's this thick pulp to it. One thing that I learned in researching the tamarind is that, Binay, let's use this for our shells, yeah, and then we can actually put that in there. And is that tamarind is native to Nigeria, a lot of other West African countries, like northern Cameroon also has the tamarind tree. And what I learned, I'm not sure how true this is, so if we have any viewers from Senegal, please chime in and let us know. But I learned this is called Dakar in Wolof. And if it is called Dakar, that's very similar to the capital city of Senegal, which is Dakar. And I have actually read that the name came from the presence of all these tamarind trees. So to our viewers from Senegal, please let us know if that's accurate or not. We will be looking in the comment section. And we're gonna move on to after we have gotten these all peeled up. All right, so we have peeled some tamarind. Some of it was just not good or usable, so we are leaving these with the trash, the shells. And our next step, Binay, is the hot water. So we have about 2 cups of hot water. And we're gonna go ahead and move this into a bigger bowl. So let's move these in here. And then we will put our hot water in. And then we'll actually let it soak for about an hour, hour and a half. All right? Let's see. Okay, and that just kind of lets everything infuse. And while we're doing that, we will grate our ginger because that's going to go right into it. And I will be covering this. And so we'll be back in about 90 minutes. Check it out. So we also added another 2 cups of hot water, warm water, halfway into our weight, and we got about another 45 minutes left to let it soak in. So now we're ready to do our straining, and I'm gonna do the pouring, Binay. And so just try to avoid any spillage. Sorry about that. Not your fault, Elaine. It's just the circumference of the, oops, there we go again, of the sieve versus the jug. Tons of pulp going on here. So my sister, your Auntie Matty, absolutely loves juicing. I think she juices just about every and anything, and she is so good at it. And every time we go over, she's got fresh juice, right? Mm-hmm. When was the last time when we met with her? What did she make?
She made orange juice.
And pineapple. It was pineapple.
Pineapple, yeah.
With the ginger. And you know, I think she got that from my mom.
Yeah, I think we should use our hands and kind of squish it with more.
That's what I'm doing with this, dear. I don't want to grab you. I don't want to smush your hands. Let's just do it with this. So it's coming. We're almost done with this part. Okay, so Binay, we talked about how much do you think we were going to have, and we moved things into here. And this is a 4-cup jug. So it kind of tells us we made about 4 cups. We're actually going to move this back into our larger jug here. See tons of pulp at the bottom. Okay. And if you would fill that with water.
All the way to which one?
All the way up to the 4th cup. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and put 1 cup of brown sugar, not full to the brim, but also another cup of white sugar, because we're going to be adding another 4 cups of water. And I'm going to give this a stir. Remember that we started out with warm water, so here comes the ice. Put the ice in there. It's going to be a very light and refreshing drink. So let's go ahead and add our 4 cups here. How come it was looking at you and not looking at you? This is just about right. So we're gonna let the ice chill it out, and then we'll be ready to taste it. So Binay, you can please serve us. We are so excited to have this. Looks so refreshing, and we're gonna make sure everyone gets a taste of it. You're welcome, Azza. I'm so excited to try this. Mr. Azaz over here. And of course, this is Mbongtaz. It just looks so refreshing, and I think we could actually serve it with lime or lemon. Slices. Lime slices, that's good.
Lion.
So everyone, we're wrapping up our video here, and this has been super exciting. And now we have a Jamaican tamarind drink, and this could not be any more refreshing. And I really started reflecting on my heritage, with my dad being from Cameroon and my mom being Jamaican, and I think we should dedicate this drink in this video to them. So this is to Grandma and Grandpa. Cheers! Thank you for the heritage, and we dedicate this one to you both. Enjoy!
I hope you like my video. Yes, you do. Subscribe.